Okay, people, Mike 575 cars. Didn't cut my truck getting it in. Everything's still the same. Is it hard to get in? Yeah. Is it impossible? No. Is it nearly impossible? Yeah. But I didn't cut my truck. It's the same way it's been. Not impossible, but very difficult. I didn't take the trim piece off, so it can't be done without it. Thing still works nice. Should be like a lifetime model, hopefully. And that's a genuine repair, not a parts changer doing a replacement from eBay, Amazon, Taiwan, China, AutoZone, Advanced, O'Reilly, or whatever. It's just not a cheap replacement. That's the original one. Thing lasted 15 years to the first break. It's a 04. That was 16 years. So let it rip, Tater Chip. This is Mike 575 car Savannah. That's custom auto repair in Savannah, GA 912. Help a brother out, man. You people hit the damn subscribe button. Watch some damn videos. Y'all fool ass. Help a brother out, man. Subscribe, like it, ring that bell. I'm out of here, man.